Okay, perfect. So let us start with the session. Today, this is good time, Wednesday, 1st of July, starting of the month. Temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Nice weather over here in India. Good for solar systems. And I hope all the PV modules and the inverters are working at their full blast. So good afternoon, everyone. This is the session talking about everything about the new era of PV materials, like from the PV panels to the feature loaded inverters. So we have over here Mr. Sampath from Adani Solar, Mr. Raman from Adani Solar, Mr. Vipin from Goodvi, and Mr. Krishnan from Evervolt. Evervolt is Goodvi and Adani's distribution partner. So I would like to introduce Mr. Krishnan as the owner of the Evervolt Energy. And Evervolt Energy is a 6-year-old organization having complete services provided within the Pan-India region. And basically the office is there in Bangalore. So I would like to start this session with handing over the session to Mr. Krishnan for his presentation. Mr. Krishnan, it's over to you now.
Yeah. Thank you, Deepak. Good evening, everyone. And thanks for attending this webinar. So the main focus of the webinar would be with the highlights of the Adani modules, their quality from the quality perspective, and their product features, and also the Goodvi inverters. So briefly, I would like to introduce to you all about us, which is Evervolt Green Energy Private Limited. I'll just share a screen with the presentation, and quickly around 5 to 7 minutes I'll take you guys for it. I hope everyone can see the screen of Evervolt presentation. Yeah. So just want to introduce Evervolt. So our mission and vision is to be a one-stop end-to-end solution provider of rooftop solutions in India to all the customers. So briefly about us, we started operations in 2014, and we have been growing positively on year-on-year basis for the last 6 years in this difficult and competitive market. So we are working with world's some of the best brands. In solar inverters, we are working with Goodvi, SMA, and SolarEdge. On the module side, we are the distribution partner for Adani Solar, Seraphim, SunPower, and Trina Solar. In the last 6 years, we have sold over 200 megawatt plus, out of which 110 megawatt plus is inverters and 90 megawatt plus in modules. We have our warehouses in Bangalore, Calicut, who is our dealer partner there, Chennai, and in Mumbai, we have an FTWZ warehouse. Very soon, we'll also be opening a warehouse in Central India and North India. Okay, in the next maybe 2 months or 3 months time. Our team size is around 8 full-time employees we have with us. I am one of the founder and director, and we have 2 contract employees who work with us for logistics. So the question now is, why Evervolt? Why should we buy from Evervolt when there are so many choices and there are so many other distributors? So one thing we can assure you is that we deal only with quality products. So when I say quality products, I just want to give an example of Goodvi. We've just finished our 5-year partnership with Goodvi, and one of our installations in India, Goodvi inverters, is 5 years old now. That means the first 5-year warranty period is already over for Goodvi inverters. So we always deal with quality products, and we always have ready stock and provide timely delivery to our customers, which is very, very important in today's scenario. Apart from keeping ready stock and providing quality products, we provide the design and bill of material preparation support for a lot of our installers. A small installer who is doing 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, we help them in providing the right design, right from the shading analysis to the orientation, angle orientation, bill of material, how much will be DC loss, how much AC loss, and what should each state has some policies. So all those we support and assist our installers. So that is why a lot of our business comes from repeated customers. So once the customer come to us, the customers are always like our service, and they keep coming back to us, and that's how we have been growing in the last 5 years. Now some of the brands that we are dealing with is Goodvi, SMA, SolarEdge. These three are our inverter partners. Adani Solar, SunPower, Trina are the module partners. A lab we do with DC cables, and Cahors is a France-based company where we deal with connectors, plug-in connectors. Yeah. So any queries, any questions, feel free to ask, and please come to us. We will definitely there to support to all the installers on a pan-India basis. This is end of my presentation, and I hand over it to Deepak back. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna. It was a nice presentation, and congratulations so much for this 5-year completion of cooperation with Goodvi. And we hereby, as you said, that it's the first 5 years warranty period is over. So this also defines how good is your services, how good is quality, how good quality inverters Goodvi offer. So coming back to the session, I would like to introduce Mr. Vipin. He's the sales manager taking care of complete India for Goodvi. And now over to Mr. Vipin.
Thank you, Deepak. Yeah, thank you, Deepak, for the nice introduction. So, myself, Vipin Bhardwaj, I take care of sales in India for Goodvi. So here I would like to start with my presentation. My screen is visible to all?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So let's start.
It is visible.
So I will start with the company introduction. So in this slide, we will be going through the 4 major segments, like the company profile, like what Goodvi is and how we are doing, what we are doing here in India, products which we are getting in our bucket, key features. Obviously, you will be interested in that part, and the future. That is like something USP of the Goodvi. So there's a major 4 segment of this presentation. So first about the company profile. About Goodvi. So Goodvi is founded in 2010 in China, and now having a global presence more than 10 countries. So you can see UK, Germany, Holland, Italy, Turkey, India, Korea. So we are having our subsidiaries there. Very soon you will be going to see Goodvi India Private Limited. So the process is ongoing. And about the market shares and the rankings. So you will be seeing Goodvi in top 5 for top 10 majorly. Globally top 10, and country-wise you will be seeing Goodvi as the top 3 inverter players. China distributed PV market, we are leading. Czech Republic, we are leading. Australia, yes, obviously we are leading there. And recently we have been awarded by Wood Mackenzie for our energy storage product, like a global #1 product for energy storage with a 15% market share globally. So about some of our achievements. So since we are in India, so I will talk majorly about India. Some quite a good prestigious project we have done in India, that is Cochin Airport, developed by Sterling Wilson, 10 megawatt, Indian Railway, Tata Power Solar, and Mangalore Refinery 6 megawatt, Tata Power Solar. Bosch has been using our inverter for 4 megawatt plant. Then Gujarat, that is a PPA based project. We have supplied our inverter to a single site project, 13 megawatt. Then some international projects you can see: Ankara, Turkey, 18 megawatt, Holland 10 megawatt. These are our projects. And about the history now. So 2010 we have started. We have establishment done some for the R&D part and some product development phase. We were in 2013. Then we entered 2014 with some good series of inverters. ES series. ES series is one of our series for hybrid products. Then Holland service center setup, UK service setup, Australia. So we have been to the 3 major countries for the partnership and the sales and service setup. Then moving forward towards India, 2017 was the year when we stepped into India market. Like before that, even we were having our presence through Evervolt that Mr. Krishna has informed. Like now we are happy to inform that we already crossed 5 years milestone with Evervolt, as well as the first warranty period for our products in India. So it's been passed very well. Now in 2020, we are standing with more than 450 megawatt installation base in India, with top 10 clients like Tata Power Solar, Sterling Wilson, Bosch, Renew, Azure, Hero, Amplus, Mahindra. So these are our top clients. Now, what is Goodwi offering to the market? So just before going to the products, so I will just, I want your eyeballs to have a look on the quiet features. Whenever you will be seeing Goodwi inverter, you can have a feel for that, like compact and convenient. You can take any of the inverter and you will be seeing Goodwi in comparison. So you'll find Goodwi inverter is always compact and convenient in terms of installation, in terms of size, weight. So the total power pack density is higher in Goodwi inverters. And the design, again, the aluminum body, we are using all aluminum body for all the casing of the inverter. And yes, obviously the inverter is quite modern and quite. So this is the total bucket as of now. Single phase, we are having range started from 700 watt, going up to 6 kilowatt in India. Globally, we are having some more ranges, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in single phase. Then 3 phase comes with range starts from 4 kilowatt, then going up to readily available is 80 kilowatt, and very soon within 1 month time you will be able to see 120, 100 kilowatt, and 136 kilowatt in 400 volt, and 250 kilowatt inverter will be in 1500 volt. So after August, you will be able to get that material. Now coming to storage inverters, this is the range we are having with us. 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt. Majorly, there are 4 series available with us in single phase and 3 phase. Coming to the features, so you can see red dot design, that design has been awarded to our inverters. This is the category where we are feeling very proud to have this, because this design is not purely something for inverters. This is all category award. Like it consists of every gadget you are making, like any electronic gadget which is having quite a unique design, unique features. So this design award we have been awarded for our DSS series. And from TUV Renland, we are consecutively we are getting all quality awards, all quality matter awards from last 5 years. This year, this award has been awarded to our MT series 80 kilowatt inverter. So now, like again, since you will be seeing Goodwi in the major residential segment compared to C&I segment, because our C&I segment is majorly very good trust we are getting from our customer sides. So here I would like to share some of the key insight about the C&I segment, that the feature you can push your project to get more ROI, better ROI for that. So DC input and AC output is like a good thing with our inverter. 50% DC input can be done, and with that you will be able to get 15% more AC output. So the combination is very unique. So you will be having very less clipping losses with our inverter. So efficiency wise, 99% you will be able to get with the GoodWe inverters. And the condition, yes, till 50 degree, our inverter is not going to derate. Like empty series inverter is having the capability to work without derating till 50 degree. So that is a uniqueness with our inverter. You can take this as a competition review for another inverters. So that will be a positive point for GoodWe. Now again, like some features you must be hearing about, this feature: reverse polarity protection, arc fault protection, connector temperature detection, PLC, and the anti-reverse current, low BOS. So low BOS, why we are saying our empty series inverter are able to connect 95 mm square cable. So that can give you a whole saving on BOS and anti-rapid shutdown, because this anti-PID and rapid shutdown design is majorly interested by the industry players who are like the owner of the plant. They would be asking from the developers of the plant, sir, I would be needed a safety product. I don't need any some product which can create a dangerous to my premises. So that GoodWe inverter can comply with this part. With our rapid shutdown design, you can shut down all the inverter in 10 milliseconds with one switch, with one push button. That's it. So that feature we are having with us. PLC, power line carrier communication, we are having. So we are like one of the best companies who are providing, one of the few companies even, so to provide the PLC, power line carrier communication. This is some key features for hybrid inverters. The changeover time is very less, so that's why it lies in UPS category. And the fanless, all inverters in this hybrid inverter is fanless, so even you can install just near to your library, so you won't be having a disturbance for this. This is ESA series Mo inverter. So this is not available for India market right now, but it is available for other markets like Australia, Germany, Europe. All-in-one solution. It is having lithium-ion battery packs as well as our inverters. So now coming to the future part, HEMS. So it is something, the latest generation monitoring portal. Let's assume you are having a plant and you just want to give this access to many other customers. Okay, like you are having a EPC company and you are building in many plants and you want to do O&M from your own team, as well as you want to give the access to the customer. So that can be done through this portal. This is totally customizable product portal, and it's it is having a hierarchy system. Like one plant owner or the ID owner can create multiple plant IDs, and all plant can be monitored on a single platform. So that can be done even for a small 1 kilowatt inverter, even for a megawatt scale inverter. That all can be done with a single portal. Energy router, yes, we are providing. And smart home management platform, yes, it will be there. And some household energy management analysis will be there. We are providing a switch. With that, you can see which device is getting how much power, and when, like, what is the cycle of the power consumption. So based on that, you can design the power requirement. This is the topology. You can see this. This one is the switch which we are talking about. This is the ESS series inverters. This is solar. This is battery. So you can see the one fridge, TV, and some washing machine. So you can trace all the loads which is getting how much power and what time. So based on that, you can just prioritize your requirement. So why I'm saying it is future, because it is enabled with the IoT, and machine learning, as you're seeing, artificial intelligence is taking ahead in every segment. So we are also in line with that. Our SCMS portal in line with machine learning and the artificial intelligence part. So you will be having more alarms, timely alarms, and intimation for the kind of proactive things to maintain the plant. So this is our MTC inverter. You can see this load management structure. So this is the whole 9 solution which can be done through our SCMS portal. Distributed PV generation, energy storage management, EV charging, because you can see the load, smart microgrid, virtual power plant. So that is something advanced, or like it is the next generation requirement when you will be setting a single plant and you are going to distribute different power to different homes. So you will be able to manage that power through the portal itself. So we are having right now with these things, power demand management. So now it comes why GoodWe. Full product portfolio. So whenever you will be needed an inverter, we are not asking you to use 50 kilowatt or 20 kilowatt stiff rating. No, you can use as per your design. Even you need 8 kilowatt inverter, you can go with GoodWe. You need 6 kilowatt inverter, you can go with GoodWe. Even you need 36 kilowatt inverter, you can go with GoodWe. So you will be finding very good bifurcation with the GoodWe inverters. Later on, smart energy management system, the single app which can give you everything to do the O&M, to give you a USP to your customer. Sir, I am here to manage your plant. I will be with you for 5 years, 10 years, 25 years. You don't need to maintain, you don't need to worry about your plant. I will be managing. So this plant with this monitoring portal and our analysis team. So since we are having our R&D team, especially for SCMS, sits in Australia. So they are developing and they are working very hard to develop each and every small and bit pieces of this information platform to make you more productive. The strong R&D team we are having, 20% of our team is from R&D. We are having 1,000, 1,100 people with us. Out of that, 200 people is majorly working with R&D. And the data collection, yes. Data collection is something we are very strong there. String monitoring, SCMS portal, so it can give you a lot of things. Monitoring part, O&M part, maintenance. So you can do a lot of things from the GoodWe inverters. So that's all the reason to choose why GoodWe. So thank you very much. So now this is from my side. Now I'm heading over to Deepak. So Deepak, now it's to you. Thank you. Deepak, your mic is mute.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just messed it out. So thank you so much, Vipin. It was a nice presentation, and as GoodWe claimed that the inverters are feature loaded. So you have explained in a very well manner that how we stand ahead of all the competitors in terms of features. Now I would like to take forward the session with Adani Solar. And Adani is no other than it do not require an introduction to anyone, but still I would like to congratulate Adani for 2.3 gigawatt of installations. And since everybody knows that they are not just into development of solar power plants, they are also into PV modules, and they produce monochromic, multicrystalline and bifacial modules. So I would like to invite Mr. Sampath. He's the regional sales head of South India region. Over to you, Mr. Sampath, now.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak, and thank you, Mr. Krishna, for organizing this wonderful webinar. And with me, my colleague, Mr. Raman, who is a product lead, who has joined for this webinar. So straight away, we'll take you to the presentation. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, it is available. Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah. Today we are going to see the importance of solar module and its selections. So just to before getting to the presentation, we'd like to introduce our Adani Group. Adani Group is an integrated, business conglomerate who has a combined revenues of 13 million USDs. So as a group, it is founded in 1988, and Adani now it has grown to become a global infrastructure and integrated player who is having, business verticals in many segments. So we have expanded our global footprints, and we are present across Australia, Bangladesh, China, Dubai, Indonesia, Singapore, and United States. As a group, we are into many business segments, and we are mainly into resources, ports and logistics, energy, agricultural segment, real estate, and defense and aerospace. And Adani Solar belongs to energy division. So Adani is India's largest bunker supplier, solar power plant developer, and solar module manufacturer, cell and module manufacturer, and transmission lines, edible oils, then coal trading, port operation, private thermal power producing, and so on. So we are a vertically integrated energy player who has committed to for generation, transmission, and also PV cell and module manufacturing. So Adani Group is committed to be a leading power player, including with a huge target of solar generation and manufacturing bankable modules. And recently we won 8 gigawatts manufacturer tender. So from GOV. So to introduce about Adani Solar. So Adani Solar started its operation in 2017, and Adani Solar has India's largest vertically integrated cell and module manufacturing facility of 1.5 gigawatts of cell and module manufacturing. So our facilities are ISO certified, and which meets highest industry standards. We have in-house testing facility for our modules and cell testings, and we are planning to ramp up our facility from 1.5 gigawatts to 3.5 gigawatts shortly. So this is our operational facility for 1.5 gigawatt cell and module manufacturing, and our building is an energy efficient building which is rated by IGBC platinum rating. So currently we are producing solar cells of polycrystalline, monocrystalline, monoPERC and bifacial cells, and also modules. So as a reverse integration, we are planning to get into ingots, wafers, as well as polysilicon. So this is our factory, and the proposed area is planned for expansion. And we have, you can see the building, which is 1.5 gigawatt of cell and module manufacturing facility. We have a huge warehouse which can accommodate 100 plus megawatts of modules. And uniqueness is like we have a in-house EVA manufacturing facility and a backsheet manufacturing facility. So if you look at any modules, you have the complete vertically integrated, or you can say indigenously manufactured product. So apart from glass and aluminum frames, even glass, aluminum frames, we are planning to have an extrusion and anodizing plant shortly. So Adani Solar has a strong and experienced team. Our team has 4,500 man years of experience in the solar sector, who has very good experience in cell and modules. So who are from different industries, who are pioneers in this segment, in this solar market. Our colleagues are from Trina Solar, Tata Power, Hanwha Q Cells, REC, so on many renowned brands to name it. So, and they are into operational maintenance, supply chain and marketing, projects and technology. So we have a strong team who has developed a quality product from Adani. So Adani Solar has deployed our globally benchmark tools, process and materials in our products. And we have an in-house R&D lab and testing facility, which makes us to achieve the quality, reliability and performance for the modules. And, of course, we have a world-class people, in-class machineries, most of the machineries from European, and it's all process, it's all process driven. And we have a stringent in IPQC testing process. So our factory, the uniqueness of our factory is like our factory is located in a location called Mundra in Gujarat. So our near to our factory we have Adani Port, and we have a access, very easy access to the Adani Port, and Adani can access cost efficient raw materials and supply high quality PV products with to more lucrative markets to their unique locations. So why to choose Adani Solar? Reasons are very simple. We are tier one, and in the first year of operation, from the first year we are number one, and we have top rated performer across various parameters for our modules by DNV from the year 2017 and till 2019. And our factory is audited by leading auditors, Solar Buyer, CEA, and Black and Welch. And Adani is as a module manufacturer for all our SKUs, module variants, we are insured by Munich Ari. Again, reissued through HDFC Ergo. So our unique advantages are process control and quality excellences, long-term reliability. Of course, this is a 25 years commitment, and it is more than that. So we are committed to it, and cost competitiveness. So Adani Solar modules are bankable modules. So why do we call a module as a bankable? And what kind of banking you can expect? For a developer to get the modules funding, our modules are suited modules where using our modules they can get a non-recourse funding very easily because of the features like product certifications and superior field performance, proven superior field performance, levelized cost of energy is very less, and strong quality management processes. It makes our module a bankable module. So these are all some of the banks, Indian banks, international banks, and government and non-government banks who has approved our modules. So as I said, the customers have approved by over 38 banks globally for non-recourse projects, which definitely helps the projects to take off from the financial issues. So right now we are selling our modules in India and USA. Right now our focus is in these two markets. Apart from these two markets, we are planning to focus on other, European, Australian, other markets as well. So these are our repeated customers like Amplus Solar, NLC, Renew Power, NTPCs, and our own arm, Adani Renewables, Siki. So these are our repeated, clients where we have supplied modules to their rooftop projects, to their utility scale segments, and to their open access projects. And you can see all the top brands where whom we are associating with L&T, Bosch. Again, these are our esteemed clients. Like we have supplied modules to BSNL, Military Engineering Services, Hyundai, and to the Airport Authority of India, and to many nodal agencies. So coming to technology, product, and portfolio certification, I would like to call Mr. Raman to take it up.
Hello. Hello. I'm audible?
Hey, you're audible, Raman.
Okay. Thanks, Sampath. Thanks so much for introduction, and thanks Mr. Krishna and Mr. Deepak for the introduction. So basically, so as Sampath has mentioned that we are the largest in India, the largest for both cell as a module manufacturer. So as a part of this technology, so Sampath, I think you can continue for your slide, or should I?
You can share your screen. Raman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it okay? Coming? Yes, Sampath, is
Yes,
my
yes, we can
screen
see.
visible? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry for interruption. So basically, we are the we are the largest manufacturer of solar cell as well as module in India, and we produce all three type of technologies. That is the mono, multi, as well as the bifacial. And in bifacial, and we are the first one, or we are the only one right now in India who are producing the mono PERC cell. There is no another of us or another of Adani who is manufacturing a mono solar cells, mono PERC solar cells. Rest all the India has manufacturing facility of the poly, and we are right now near operational of 1.5 gigawatt currently, and we are expanding near, as I announced, as Sampath mentioned earlier, nearby 3 gigawatt for the next year, quarter 220. So as these are, first of all, we just want to introduce you the basic component, which is for the for any module, which that is the basic composition. So if you see this, the first of all, the glass is a very important role. Then after the glass, this EVA, which is we also using in-house facility, which is given by Vishakha, and that is also one of the biggest achievement for us also. And we control all the quality, and we say that we must say that we are following all the quality standards. Whatever the cell and whatever the component we are using in the manufacturing of our module, that has been taken care by the purely IQC, and at every step we are measuring the quality. So we are using all the component with a high, and sometimes we also perform, and it's a regular practice for us that we perform the third-party testing also for all the raw materials. So these are the basic composition: glass, EVA, then backshade, then solar cell, then this is the junction. Or this is the basic configuration for the any module which is available in the market for only for the specific for the multi-crystalline technology or monocrystalline technology, silicon-based technology. So these technologies basically based on this P-type technology, type which Adani is rightly manufacturing right all these technology. One is for the P-type multi-crystalline solar cells, and P-type monocrystalline PERC solar, and N-type monocrystal bifacial cells. And we are the only one who was manufacturing solar cell for the, as I mentioned, for the mono PERC and for the bifacial N-type. And we are also very of the few or one of the manufacturer for the bifacial solar cell, one of the original. We have opted this technology in 2016 when there was this doubting the bifacial technology, and at that moment we started for manufacturing the bifacial. We have already forecasted the bifacial market, and we have also launched all these products in our Indian market. And for marketing purpose, we can see that P-type multicrystalline solar cell, maximum of our customer, they are known by Encore, and for the monocrystalline PERC cell is known as Eternal, and N-type bifacial product are known as Elan. These are the series which normally you can get from our website or from the Adani Solars also. So multicrystalline right now we have the capacity of near about 1100 megawatt, and we are producing from 335 to 345. It's an above the average and the benchmarking of the market. If you see other market, you can hardly get the 335, 340, but Adani and with our advanced technology and with the efficient team, we are able to produce near the 345, and we are the best in the market. And we are up to the tier 1 company, and recently our module also accredited as a PBL and for the PQP and best award for the DNVGL for the modules. And it's a continuously for last 3 years we are making a name, and we are successfully passing the test in the PQP. That is one of the best and the toughest test for the solar modules available in the whole solar market. And then this is the mono PERC, which is right now we are producing. We are also giving the mono PERC module, which is also range of up to 365 to 375 and 385 also, and up to 390. And in the Anti-bifacial, we are giving, right now we are in the market up to 385 and 375, 380. And all the our material, all other bifacial products is export and available for the Indian market and both as an international market too. And we are certified for all as the, whatever the requirement for the, as the any government agency has required to get this product. So these all three products which we have mentioned, one is the Encore series, and then Eternal series, and then Elan series. These all three are our main portfolio for our Adani Solar and well reported all the other established products for the market. And many of our customers, they have testimonial that Adani product is the best product in the market. And for future, recently we are that will be launched in the end of the 2020. That we will be 12. We are in the advanced technology. We are working with our team, and recently we have launched our product in the SPI in SPI Expo. So we are working on the same, and soon we will be available with the whole information for all these products. And then particular and then core product, and core product is a multi, which I mentioned you that our capacity is nearby 1100 megawatt, which we are completely liquidate our products in the whole market. We are selling in domestic as well as export, and these all products are certified with all the IEC certifications, and this is the bankable product and people and BIS also. And so there is all our files are, and all our reports are third party vetted, and we have checked all the quality and all the products at the TUV and reputed, these are reputed labs. So as Sampath has mentioned that we are the bankable. So bankable means you are audited by all this bankable agencies, where that they are verifying the each and every parameter. Tomorrow how your product and your project and the customer should not be affected by the manufacturer. So therefore they ensure that each and every step for the quality, for the viability of this your warranty, they verify the warranty. Whatever we are quoting in the market, whatever we are quoting in our catalogs, is a third party verified. So that's why we are able to sell all that's why we are able to aggregate it with all the third parties certificates. And our PAN files and also and execution and simulation is also a third party that is also validated by the PBL, DNVGL as well as the POV. So why these products need to be certified? Like for considering the point that we can write the certification number. So all these certification, if you see the downside, all these certifications are available with the third party verify. You can check directly on Adani website, Adani Solar. So where you can verify the each and everything certificate along with our agency name, and you can directly check with the lab for all these certificates and all with the passing matter. So it means whatever we are promising in the market is vetted by the third party. Same case with our Eternal bifacial. Recently we have launched the product. We are the first one in India who have launched this transparent backsheet module. That is the transparent backsheet, backsheet also transparent with the monoperk. And in the monoperk, we are simply providing. We are as I mentioned that we are the only one manufacturer who are manufacturing the mono solar cell in India. Monopulse solar cell in India, who else, no one else is manufacturing. So we are checking each and everything and each quality of the parent. That's why we ensure that customer can get the good quality product in the market, and there is no compromise on the quality. So that's why we planned and we mapped this mono solar cell manufacturing to producing by our own company. And and recently in the mid of 2019, we have changed our, we have launched a new product that is the bifacial perk, and which is also giving the gain up to 6 to 8% extra. And this is a Elan bifacial. Recently, you all seen that bifacial products is a new market, a new era for the solar cells. So earlier it was given by our N-type. N-type. We have both product N-type as well P-type, and N-type is a specialty of the zero LID. Since this more, if you see the first year degradation of other product is nearby the 3%, but if you go for the N-type bifacial, you will get the first year degradation up to 1% or less than 1%. So depend upon manufacturing. So, and the rear side bifacial gain which we can get using the N-type bifacial is up to 85%, and which is the we can easily give you overall gain of 10 to 12% over the year. So this is a very good. Right now the people are working on the, and we are also working to increase the gain and bifaciality gain and get the more better result in the our product and deliver the best quality to the product. So why to Adani? What is the advantage that we are providing in our module? If you check our module and electrical para, all those customers who are already dealing with us, these are feedback from them, and the performance of Adani module, we are giving the high fill factor because we are using a quality material to build low NOCT, low LID, better performance, better coefficient, temperature coefficient, and we are checking all the reliability as a third party. So and these all verify. For example, if you see that normal we are performing a 3-cross IC testing on our product, which is the like a harsh condition, and which you can say that toughest condition to test our module. But since we are checking, we know that we are building a good quality product, so we are confident about our product quality. So we are checking the 3-cross IEC. So it means that we, if normal phenomena say that 1,000 hours that we have to check a damp heat, then we are performing up to 3,000 hours. So to check the all the cycle and all the performance, that reliability of module, our module should be better. So our module is certified all the accredited and all the agencies, and we are the best performers all over since 2017, 18, and 19, 20 for the PQP program that is built by the PVGL, DNVGL, and people know that is the best quality, and only the best quality product can qualify that. And we are happy, and we are so successful in that to maintaining our benchmark in the market. And as per BS guideline, we are certified for all the certification or all the eligibility or whatever the certification required to need by Indian supplier or Indian tender to qualify all. We have all the qualification, that is a BIS and BS tender qualification for all the required. In addition to that, we are performing the 3-cross IAC, and you can easily get the report. But only if you say that you can check with the other module, you will not find this point. So this is our really toughest test for the reliability that we are Adani are the performing, and we as a Adani we are testing our product on the harsh condition. So that is, we have successfully maintaining and successfully passing from last 3 years. So what is the difference between 3-cross IEC and normal IEC? IEC say that if you are performing a damp heat test for the 1,000 hours, and then the degradation should be less than P max, then you can pass the criteria. So same with the thermal cycling, that is the 200 cycle PID cycle for 96 hours and UV for 15 kilowatt meter per square, and this humidity freeze is the 10 cycle and dynamic load for the 1,000 cycle. So if Adani criteria, as we want to be a best in the market, and we realize the competition and we want to deliver the best process, we tested our module on the extreme condition. If you see that our module has been tested on the 3,000, which is the 10 multiplied by 3 times of worse condition than normal IEC standard, which is following by the part of world. But we have tested our module, the 3-cross IEC, so we are performing the 3 times more worse condition and more test condition on our module to deliver best quality. So this is the better, and then you can see the result, how and what result we have seen after we are sharing our result, and we are happy to share our result that we are satisfied with our, and we want to continuously improving on this. So if you see the DEMP heat, which is 3 cross IEC, so 3 cross IEC, we are receiving a degradation up to 1. After 3 tests, we are receiving the 1.8, and then thermal and the PID, same case. If you see the BI maximum, we have lost 2.9. That is the last, the worst result we have seen. But anyway, this best result after performing the 3 cross IEC. We have not crossed even for the first time failure of IEC benchmark. That is a 5%, and that is we are happy with our product. And this is the generation Adani module generation. And Adani module generation and the comparison which is given by that entire one company, and this is a testimonials shared by our customer, and this is better by their side. So you can see that Adani generation is far better than other competitors and other offering. So Adani also offering this ground mount and RCC car parking, solar car roof, and sphere roofs. So that's it for my presentation. So any question, please let me know. And please write us on the chat, and hand over to Deepak. Mr. Deepak, you can take a control.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Raman. It was a nice presentation, Mr. Sampath, for giving a brief idea about Adani Solar company profile. And thank you, Raman, for such a detailed introduction of your products. It was a nice presentation overall. So coming back to the session, like we in the last take few question and answer from the public. So we have few in the Q&A block of this webinar also, and also we have received few queries from public earlier. So the first question comes to Adani itself. People want to know about what warranties does Adani Solar offer, and in case the modules are already installed and they are facing any problem, what should they do? In that scenario, what is the first step they need to take for that?
Yeah, so I'll take this question. So we Adani Solar, we are giving 12 years manufacturer's warranty for our modules and 25 years performance warranty for our modules. Okay. Yeah. So we are giving 12 years manufacturer warranty and 25 years performance warranty. So in case after installations, if customers feel that there is a generation gap or any degradation identification, so you can reach us through our customer care numbers, and our customer care team will service team will support you in terms of identifying the defects in the modules or any issues in the modules. So we are committed to it, and our warranty terms stand good. We can support as per our warranty.
Okay. Thank you, Sampath. And I hope the query is answered if the person is available over here. And one more query which we have received recently from Mr. Pankaj. They want to know if the modules of Adani are PID free or not.
Yes, modules of Adani are PID free, and we have a certificate for PID.
Okay, thank you. And the next question comes to Mr. Vipin of Goodby. Like Vipin, if you could answer us, if you could throw some light over the Goodby inverters from the aspect of O&M section. Mr. Vipin.
Yeah, Deepak. So from O&M section or from O&M aspect of the plant, inverter plays a critical role because inverter gives the advancement of the monitoring part. Okay, so seeing like we can take a very current example of the situation of right now. We don't have manpower at sites to monitor the plant, to monitor the performance of the plant and the schedule of the plant for some maintenance like cleaning or something. So the result to that situation, we are having a less generation to that plant. Okay, so if you will be considering Godwin in that scenario, So our inverter are having string monitorings. Okay. And string monitorings can give you real-time information about the particular string. This string is having less current, so it's mean generating less. So you can just direct a person, okay, go to that site and please check this strings. You must be found some issue over there. So that can help you out to work without or even with less manpower to do a effective O&M. So that there we can help you out to have you to increase the productivity from the O&M aspect, as well as to increase the generation part of the plant. Yes. So that is all about, like, because string monitoring is not a very standard feature from the market. So that is something offered by Goodby. And again, we will talk about the O&M comes to the monitoring part. So for monitoring, we do have our portal. So with that portal,
Okay.
you can get each and every detail about string current and voltages, each and every day data, minute data, hourly data. So with that data, you can do optimize of your manpower, optimization of your scheduled work, scheduled task, cleaning of the modules, even some preventive or corrective maintenance. So that can be scheduled. So there, Goodby Inverter can help you a lot for the O&M aspect.
Okay. So basically, you want to say that the SEMS portal which we offer, that is helpful in O&M aspect, or what? I mean, that is the monitoring solution which we offer for the lifetime, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
will that be beneficiary for O&M?
Yes, obviously. Because since many of the big companies like Adani, since Mr. Sampath is from Adani, so I will take Adani as an example. Adani is having their O&M team, okay? But the players who are like small in the team size, okay? But they still want to do some USP to the client. So they can offer, sir, we can maintain your plant. And what maintenance really is in plant? So it's about the cleaning and some fault is there, some cable check is there. So that can be done through the monitoring portal. Because if let's say we are having our inverter with string monitoring, but you are not able to get the data, you need to go to the inverter to get the string monitoring data. So it doesn't make sense. So for that, we are having our portal that is free of cost. You just need to plug a device over there, and you can have all the monitoring data. Like we have installed a plant in Jaipur, and so we are having our engineer in Delhi. Okay, so we can see that the 500 kilowatt plant is having some issue in 2 strings. So we can just send our one engineer. So you please go there and check these 2 strings. So that can that will make your work very specific. So that's how the monitoring portal will play a role for the O&M part as well.
Okay, okay, got it. So next question which I want to put to you, Mr. Vipin, again, is like the key elements of Goodby inverters for C&I projects. I mean, what are the key elements? What we claim that inverters are very feature loaded and all. So, I mean, how in a cumulative way is it good for C&I projects?
Yeah. So Deepak, just to be very straightforward on that part, I can say like inverter is very feature loaded, but how it is going to increase the productivity or to make the early ROI, how it is going to impact. So I will take some of example like the maximum power output of the inverter MT series we can take 15% output. So that is something a USP of Goodby inverter. Whenever we will talk about C&I inverter, so people are doing overloading on DC side, okay, and they are majorly worried about the clipping losses and what will happen after the overloading of 30%. So we will take a case where you can install a Goodby inverter along with another third-party inverter. So in that case, you will be able to see generation of the inverter on the same location with same overloading. Goodby generation will be higher because the bandwidth of AC output is higher in Goodby inverters. So this will lead inverter to less clipping losses. Secondly, I will come to the part which is called as PLCC. Like the plant we have recently installed in Gujarat, Rajkot, the 13 megawatt. So you won't believe the customers itself claiming or like was happy to inform me that 80 kilowatt inverter is regularly generating 86 kilowatt regularly. It is with 20% overloading using that tracker, single axis tracker. It is 86 kilowatt it is generating. It is very happy. So that kind of generation output and that the bandwidth can be very advantageous to the C&I segment. And like, let's say again, third point, because here the designer would be very happy to hear that, the horizontal mounting of the inverter, because at some places you can just take advantage with one solution with the problem, because many of the customer having slant sites, which is same like warehouses. They don't have any proper space to put the inverter, or if you will be putting inverter down to the ground, so you will be increasing your cost of DC cable or either AC cables. Okay, so in that case you can put GoodWe inverters on the roof itself, so it will be help to save the cost on cable, so that you will be able to make the deal in that situation, because somebody will take the cable cost in their account and they wouldn't be able to give the best commercial package. And if you will be using GoodWe inverter, so that can make a like a twist role in that part, because we are seeing this small and tricky things that helps EPC player to get the win, to get the deal mainly. Because Krishna sir must be going through with this kind of requirements, because I was remember in REI we were having a discussion along with the team member Vasu. So one person came to Vasu and Krishna sir team, so they were literally asking, sir, we need help for designing part. So that part has been done by Evervolt team. Like they designed the project, they have done all the clipping losses analysis, so you can do this thing, that thing. So that would be totally helpful to them. So with that feature of the inverter can really helpful to the C&I players.
And that helped us really supplying 1.8 megawatt of GoodWe inverters to that customer later after 3 months. So
yeah.
The important point here is that apart from just we doing the supplying of inverters or other products, we provide the customers whatever support they require from us, whether it is technical or non-technical, pre-sales, post-installation surveys, whatever it is. So that's why we are a little different from other distributors.
Because Deepak, right now, what the thing is, just to choose a inverter or a module. The third one, engineering, where the players like Krishna sir and our whole team is playing their role is very critical. Because you can choose any time a product from the data sheet. Okay, we can choose Adani, we can choose GoodWe inverter with the data sheet. It looks very good. But how the module and the inverter is going to perform at the site, that can be informed by the team. So who is there, the person, like if let's say I am putting a plant, I don't have any expertise in that part, or might be not all the factors I'm knowing about. So there I can be informed by team like expert from Evervolt. So that would be the advantages for the customer. So there they can break the deal. So anyhow, the product like Adani and GoodWe, so anyhow, so they would be happy and we would be happy to serve, but the engineering is always playing a role in that.
Right, Vipin. I totally agree with that. And I totally agree with the point from Evervolt, like to serve the customer in a very, in a unique manner, we need to give them not just the product, but also the services which we know, maybe technically, maybe by helping them with all the technological support which we can give them. And we can, of course, connect the customer with, like the distributor can connect the customer with the BOS manufacturer or maybe the PV module manufacturer to have all the technical queries to be clear. And this is the platform. Like this webinar is totally organized for that thing only, so that we can hear the customer and listen to their queries and can answer them. So my next question comes to Adani Solar. Like people want to know like you people manufacture three types of products. Like first is monocrystalline, second is multicrystalline, and third is the bifacial. I mean, what's the difference in terms of lifespan, in terms of efficiency? What is the difference between all these three products?
See, as Raman rightly explained in his slides, monocrystalline is a product which is there in the market for last 25 years, and which has seen its life of guaranteed life of 25 years. If you ask me about solar panels use, I would say like useful life for a solar panels is above 40 years, so it's more than 40 years. So, and the guaranteed performance for any panel, it is 25 years. With the manufacturers. And if you look at the technology separations like multi and mono and bifacials, multi has a module efficiency between 16 to 17% module efficiencies, and which comes with a performance warranty of 25 years. And mono PERC is and first year degradation for multi is 2.5, whereas for mono PERC it is 3% degradation. And if you look at after 25th year, the multis performance will be 82.2 or 3% of the initial performances. So, and if you look at mono PERC, it will be 80%. So there will be a 2% gap, performance gap because of the technology. But still, with the limited space, you can generate more power in mono PERC, and you can save your space of utilizing installing solar plants. And when you look at the bifacials, bifacials, there are two types of bifacials. One is N-type bifacials, another one is P-type bifacials. N-type has its own advantage. It has zero LID and zero PID, and literally zero losses. So I would say, like, if you look at our warranty terms for bifacials, is we are giving for N-type bifacials, we are giving 30 years of performance warranty for our N-type bifacials modules. And 30 years after, even after 30 years, we are giving an assurances of 87% of the initial power. So that means to say that bifacial, N-type bifacial has a little more efficient comparing to multi or poly. But of course, today in today's market, there is a price band, premium, which is required for the bifacial. So now the market is slowly started picking up. So if you look at P-type is basically, it is like a monocrystalline, mono PERC, performances. So it will be having 25 years. After 25 years, it will be having the similar kind of performance like mono PERC.
Okay, and if you explained in terms of lifespan, efficiency, and all the complete technology, if I talk about the prices, I mean, which one is the most expensive and which one is the least expensive among three? If you want to rank in terms of prices, which one will come on the third place, second place, and the first place?
See, actually, if you look at the pricing, different segment will look at a different pricing strategies. If you look at a rooftop segment or a C&I segment or a utility scale developer, so they see on a different thing. So generally, the ROI, if you look at a rooftop, they'll look at ROI. If you look at project developer, they look at the levelized cost of energy, LCOE. So for as of today, if you look at for a developer, bifacial is a best technology, upcoming best technology, where for a long term, as I told you, with the N-type bifacials, you can get 30 years of performance warranty, and after 30 years also still it can generate 87% of the initial power. So if you look at the useful lifespan from 40 years, it can even go up to 50 years. So for a developer, bifacials are always a preferred one in upcoming days. And for the rooftop segments on C&I segment, if you look at mono, again it all depends upon that price, like a factor. Till all these days, multicrystalline was dominant in the market, and multicrystalline was giving a better return on investment than LCOE. Now mono PERC has emerged, and with the higher wattages modules and higher efficiency modules, it's becoming more popular in the market. So and with the scale of production, mono PERC is also the prices are coming down. So as of today, if you look at different market has different pricing strategies and the requirements. So each market has a different scale to match.
Understood. Right. And the next question comes to Mr. Vipin of Goodwe. Like there's a question in our this Q&A block that whether Goodwe provide a global warranty or not. I mean, if someone wants to install it, buy it in India, install it in somewhere else, maybe in Bangladesh or maybe in Sri Lanka. So whether the warranty gets void or whether they can claim the warranty or not.
Deepak, for warranty part, yes, Goodwe is providing warranty globally, but the condition is that the inverter should be buy within the territory. Like it cannot be like this. Buying can be from India and selling or installing in Bangladesh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the inverter has to be bought within the same country.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Fine then. Before I call off, I have a last question for Adani Solar. Like, if you could explain your product map, maybe the upcoming products and all, if you have.
Yeah. So coming to the product map, it's a very good question. Like right now in multi, we are at 335 to 345 watt peak, and in mono PERC, we are at 365 to 375. And in bifacials, N-type bifacial, we are at 370 and 375, and P-type it is 380 and 385. And future roadmap, the technology is keep changing, the wafer sizes, cell sizes keep changing. We are upgrading our facilities, from 1.5 gigawatt to 3.5 gigawatts. During that upgradation, the new technologies will be implemented, and we are foreseeing like the starting wattages will be 440 watt and above, and that's our product forecast. And this year, as a company, we are a 100% indigenous manufacturer company. We are focusing on DCR modules, domestic content requirements, where there are good schemes available in the market like CFA, Central Finance Assistance schemes, and Kuchum scheme and CPSU schemes. So where we are completely focusing towards that market, and in upcoming days, we'll be going for higher wattage modules.
Okay, fine. So this is all I have for Adani and Goodwe. A small question I have for Mr. Krishna of Everwood, like how many megawatts in terms of megawatt you have done till this date? Like you have a long presence in the market of 6 years. So if in cumulative, if I talk about the total projects which you must have done in terms of capacity, what's the capacity size which you have sold in terms of inverters and then in terms of modules?
Yeah, so in the last 5.5 years, we have sold inverters about 110 megawatt. Total, all the three brands put together that we are currently distributing in India. On the module side, we have done close to 87 megawatt. Yeah. And we plan to do at least, the current COVID times, we do not know what is going to be the market for the next 8-9 months. But pretty much we are planning to do at least 15-20 megawatt of modules and around 75 megawatt of inverters this year alone. Yeah, that's the.
Okay. So I think like 110 megawatt from this inverter side is quite a good number. I would like to congratulate for this. And this is like end of the session. I would like to call off. But before we call off, I would request all the speakers to share their contact details with the public in the group chat, so that they can, in case they want have any query, have any project related. I'm so sorry. If are you able to hear me? Like my network just went out. Am I audible?
Yeah, Deepak, you're audible.
Okay, so I was just saying that we can share the contact details with the public, with the attendees in the chat section before we call off. So I just take like 1 more minute before we call off, and you can just share your details with them. Rest today is nice weather, a nice day. And I mean, it was a good session. A good number of questions had came to us from public side as well. And overall, I hope that you people must have enjoyed it. And this must be a knowledgeable session for all. From Adani, like very good name in the market, not just into developer, but also into PV modules. Like there is no comparison with Adani Solar and the other competitors. They are already a step ahead of all of them. And of course, talking about GoodWe, they are like the most feature-loaded inverters. We just don't claim things. We just don't market things in a manner that, yes, okay, this is the sales. We just don't give do sales. We think of we are more preferring more to a knowledge sharing things, so that we can explain you more about the technology, about the expertise which we have in GoodWe. Whatever the best quality which we can offer, we are offering it. And of course, we are always here to help you out. So I hope we could connect it somewhere around, maybe sometime later, on emails, on phone calls. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. I'm just calling off the session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.